हेलो हाय वेलकम टू अवर चैनल ब्राइटर किड्स। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है फ्रैक्शंस, चैप्टर नंबर 7। फ्रैक्शन क्या होता है, बेसिक्स के साथ कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करेंगे और आपको एक्सरसाइज में जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स में जो भी डाउट रहा तो प्लीज़ कमेंट कीजिए। फर्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट बेसिक्स के साथ क्लियर कीजिए क्योंकि फ्रैक्शंस और नेक्स्ट फर्दर क्लासेस में बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है। सो फ्रैक्शन क्या है, फ्रैक्शन किसे कहते हैं और फ्रैक्शन के यूजेस और फ्रैक्शंस कैसे पिक्टोरियल फॉर्म में कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, अगर पिक्टोरियल फॉर्म में एग्ज़ाम में दिया तो उसमें फ्रैक्शन में कैसे लिखना है, सब आज डिस्कस करेंगे। सो प्लीज़ लिसन केयरफुल। फ्रैक्शन क्या होता है, अगर आपके पास एक चॉकलेट है, डेयरी मिल्क, ओके, कौन सा भी एक चॉकलेट है आपके पास, तो आपके फ्रेंड ने पूछा तो मुझे भी चॉकलेट चाहिए, तो आपने क्या करे, तो इसे ऑफ करके आपका फ्रेंड को ऑफ चॉकलेट ने दे दिया और ये चॉकलेट ऑफ द चॉकलेट ने आपने ले लिया और ऑफ द चॉकलेट ने आपको फ्रेंड को दे दिया। तो पहले आपके पास एक चॉकलेट है, तो आपने एक चॉकलेट कितने पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करें, 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिए। सो कैसे लिखेंगे इसे, 1/2 ऑफ, इसे फ्रैक्शन कहते हैं। तो 1/2 इसका मतलब क्या है, एक चॉकलेट किसी भी एक थिंग को 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिए, तो क्या लिखेंगे इसको, 1/2। अगर आपने चॉकलेट को और एक फ्रेंड को भी शेयर कर दिए तो इसका मतलब इसको क्या लिखेंगे, 1/3। इसको फ्रैक्शन में कैसा लिखेंगे, 1/3, ओके। एक चॉकलेट को 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिए, सो जब क्या लिखेंगे, 1/3। तो फ्रैक्शंस को ऐसा लिखना है। पर सपोज आपके पास एक केक है, ओके, उसको 4 पीसेस के जैसा कट कर दिया, तो एक पीस को आपको फ्रेंड को दे दिए। तो जो पार्ट आपको फ्रेंड को दे दिए तो इसका फ्रैक्शन क्या है। सो एग्जामिनर कैसा पूछ सकता है, ये शेडेड पार्ट है, इसका फ्रैक्शन क्या है। सो हमने कैसे लिखेंगे, पूरा कितने पीसेस है यहाँ पे, 1 2 3 4, सो वी हैव टू राइट 4 हियर। तो डिनोमिनेटर में फर्स्ट 4 लिखना है क्योंकि कितने पीसेस है, 1 2 3 4, सो वी हैव टू राइट 4। तो शेडेड पार्ट कितने हैं, 1, सो यू हैव टू राइट हियर 1। सो 1/4 पार्ट ने आपको फ्रेंड को आपने दिया था, तो कितना फ्रैक्शन, सो 1/4 फ्रैक्शन हो गया। सो कितना पार्ट ने आपको फ्रेंड को दे दिया, 1/4 पार्ट ने 1/4 पार्ट ऑफ ए केक आपको फ्रेंड को दे दिया। तो दूसरे पार्ट केक पीस में दूसरे फ्रेंड को दे दिया, तो अब क्या लिखेंगे, पूरा कितने पीसेस है, 1 2 3 4, सो डिनोमिनेटर में होल पीसेस लिखना है। सो वी हैव टू राइट 4 पीसेस, सो 4 हियर। नेक्स्ट कितने पार्ट्स शेडेड के हैं, सो 2, सो 2/4, सो ऐसा लिखना है। फ्रैक्शंस को ऐसे लिखेंगे, ओके। हाफ चॉकलेट, 1/4, 1/8, that means 8 pieces of one whole part, that means 8 pieces of one whole part, Okay, 1/7, 1/5, or 2/5, 3/8, 3/7. These are all fractions. Fractions को ऐसा लिखना है. Okay. डायग्राम में दे दिया आपको, इसे फ्रैक्शंस में लिखना. तो कैसे लिखेंगे? ये कितने पार्ट्स हैं? 1 2 3 4. सो 4 हियर. कोई शेडेड रीजन है कितने पार्ट्स में है? सो ओनली 1 पार्ट्स, 1 पार्ट. ओके. सो आप कैसे लिखेंगे ऐसे फ्रैक्शंस में? सो यू हैव टू काउंट ऑल द parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So denominator में whole parts. So 8 parts. Shaded are only 2 parts. 1 2. So you have to write 2/8 here. So you have to write like this. So for example, 1 2 3. इसे कैसा लिखेंगे? So 1 2 3 and 1 shaded part. Is this right? No, it is absolutely wrong, because 1 2 3 parts. Okay, right. But now see here, this is a big part. This smaller than this. This is very small. So क्या है? 3 पार्ट्स इक्वल रहना चाहिए. ओके, 3 पार्ट्स जो भी डिवाइड कर रहे हैं उसमें 3 पार्ट्स इक्वल रहना चाहिए, तभी हम फ्रैक्शंस को लिख सकते हैं. ओके. और नेक्स्ट, अगर डायग्राम में दे दिए तो फ्रैक्शंस वैसा लिखना है. नेक्स्ट, नंबर 1 फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इसको डायग्राम में रिप्रेजेंट करना है. कैसा करेंगे? फॉर एग्जांपल हमने स्क्वायर ही ले लेंगे. सो कैसा करना है? कितने पार्ट्स डिवाइड करना है, कैसा पता करें? सो फर्स्ट डिनोमिनेटर में देखना है. व्हाट दिस नंबर 4. सो वी हैव टू divide into 4 parts. We did it very right. So next we have to see numerator. What is denominator and what is numerator? Numerator और denominator क्या है? Denominator means down part. Denominator, that means down parts. So जो भी नीचे का नंबर रहेगा उसे डिनोमिनेटर कहते हैं. न्यूमरेटर मीन्स अपर पार्ट. सो हियर 2/3, दैट मीन्स 3 इज अवर डिनोमिनेटर, 2 इज अवर न्यूमरेटर. फर्स्ट अपर पार्ट को न्यूमरेटर कहते हैं, नेक्स्ट नीचे डाउन पार्ट को डिनोमिनेटर कहते हैं. सो प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस 2 words, numerator and denominator. Okay, now numerator is 2. So we have to shade any 2 parts. Here, not only these two, any 2 parts. This is the 4. That means 4 parts, 3 shaded parts. Okay. Or if you want to take 3/8 or 3/6, first you have to take denominator number. First you have to see denominator part and put that number pieces. Of that you have to shade numerator number pieces. These are the fractions. Okay. How can you define fractions on number line? Okay. How can you plot numbers on number line? first in the number line we have to put 0 on the middle of the number line. Here right side of the 0 are positive numbers and left side of the 0 are negative numbers. We already discussed previous videos about number line. Okay, like this. Then here 1, 2, so on, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. Okay, we have to take positive numbers to the right of the 0 and negative numbers to the left of the 0. Okay, then for example, take one fraction, any fraction. If you take 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 3 by 2 or 4 by 2, 5 by 2, this type of fractions. How can you plot these numbers on number line? If you take 2, so we have to plot here 2. Here it is 2. If you give minus 3, so here it is 3. It's very easy. But how can you know where it is 1 by 2 and where it is 2 by 2? 1 by 2 means 2, here 1. Okay, 0.0, 2 5s are 10. Okay, here it is 0.5. So it comes after 0. It comes 1 by 2. That means 0.5. Okay, it comes after 0. That means here 0.5. Okay, that means 1 by 2. Next, where it is 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means 1. Okay, right. Next, 3 by 2. 3 by 2. So we have to divide 2 by 3. So 2 ones are 2. 1.0. 2 fives are 10. So 1.5. That means after 1. It comes after 1. Here 1.5. After 4 by 2. 2 twos are 4. Here it is 2. Next 5 by 2. So divide 2 by 5. So 2 twos are 4. 1.025 is 10. That means 2.5. Here it is. Okay. 6 by 2, 3. That means how can you plot this 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 2 on the number line? So 0 here. After that 0 after it comes 1 by 2 and 1. Here 2 by 2 here. 2 by 2 means 1. Here 3 by 2. Next 4 by 2, 5 by 2, 6 by 2, 7 by 2. We have to draw fractions on number line like this. That means here 1 by 2 means here 1. We have to take 2 dots between 0 to 1. That means 1 and 2. Okay, that means 1 by 2 and 2 by 2. Okay, here 1 by 2. Okay, here after 2, 3 by 2. So for suppose it is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2. That means 2. 2 ones are 2. 1.5. It comes 1.5. Okay, it comes 1.4. That means 2 ones are 2, 1. So it comes after 1. It comes after 1. We have to take 3 dots before 1. That means 0, 1.5, 1, and that here 3 by 2. 2 by 2. Here these are 2 denominator 3. So 1, 2, 3. Third dot. And here 4 by 2. That means here 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4th dot. Here it comes 4 by 2. Here 5 by 2. That means 1, 2, 5 by 2. 6 by 2. That means we have to put 6 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It comes here 6 by 2. Okay, is it clear? Okay. Next, if you take any fractions, not only 1 by 2, if you take 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 4 by 3, 3 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 6 by 3. How can you plot these fractions on number line? So first we have to take number line. Here 0, here these are negative numbers. We no need to negative numbers now here. So after 0, 1 by 3, that means we have to divide 3. So 0 0.0, 3 3 is a 9. 1. Okay, 0 0.3, that means after 0, here it comes 1 by 3. Okay, is it clear? We have to take here 1 by 3, that means 0 0.3. Okay, next 2 by 3, we have to divide 2. Okay, 0.0. 3 6 are 18, 3 7 are 21, so 3 6 are 18. So 2. Okay, 0 0.6. So it comes here 0 0.6. That means 2 by 3. And 3 by 3 here 1. 3 by 3. Okay, 3 by 3. So 3 by 3. Next 4 by 3. That means divide 3 1s are 3. 1.0. 3 3s are 1 point. That means it comes after 1. That means it comes here 4 by 3. So 4 by 3. That means you have to put here 4 dots. After 5 by 3 means 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 by 3 comes here. Next 6 by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 by 3 will come here. Like this we have to plot fractions on number line. Is it clear or not? If you 1 by 8 means we have to put 1 to 8 on. Okay, coming to our next topic, proper fractions. फ्रैक्शंस को नंबर लाइन में कैसे प्लॉट करना है हमने देख लिया. नेक्स्ट और टॉपिक इज प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस. प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस क्या है, कौन से प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस है? ओके, कौन प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस, दैट मीन्स व्हाट इज एनएनडी? न्यूमरेटर से डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा रहना. सो 3 by 8 is our proper fraction. So numerator is small than denominator. Okay, 1 by 7, 2 by 9. Okay, 4 by 13, like this. Numerator is smaller than denominator, then these fractions are called proper fractions. Okay, is it clear? Please note down this point. Numerator is smaller than denominator, then these fractions are called proper fractions. Denominator को greater रहना है, so denominator is big number than numerator, then these fractions are called proper fractions. Next, improper fractions. So improper fractions कौन से है? So improper fractions में numerator is greater than denominator. So numerator is greater than denominator. Okay, these are the improper fractions. These are the improper fractions. Here, see here, numerator is greater than denominator. Here also numerator is greater than denominator. Then these fractions are called improper fractions. numerator is greater than denominator, then this type of fractions are called improper fractions. Is it clear? Okay. Next, mixed fractions. That means mixed fractions. Mix करना है. That means if you want, I want one cake piece and also half cake piece also. That means one and half. I want one and half part. Like this, if you write like this, 1 and half, 3 and half, 2 and half, or 2 3/4 part, 1 3/4 part, or 1/3 part. These type of fractions are called mixed fraction. That means one whole part and one half part, like this. One is whole part, one is whole number. That means complete number. And another one is fraction. These are mixed fraction. That means 1 1/2, 2 1/2, 2 1/3, 1 1/3. These are mixed fractions. Okay, clear. 1 1/2 is a mixed fraction. If examiner asks you 1 1/2 is what number? If you convert 1 1/2 into fraction, how can you convert this 1 1/2 into fraction? Convert 1 1/2 into fraction. How can you convert mixed fractions into fraction? Okay, conversion. How can you convert? That means 1 1/2. Okay, listen carefully. Okay, first we have to, here one is. So first we have to multiply 2 into 1. That means 1 into 2 equal to 2. Then what we have to do? First we have to multiply these two numbers. Then result is 2. Then we have to add our numerator number. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So we have to write 3 here on the numerator. Then our denominator is as usual 2. So it will be 3/2. Okay, 1 1/2 equal to 3/2. How can you convert 1 1/2 into 3/2? That means, suppose if you take another 2 and half, that means first of all we have to multiply these two numbers. Okay, this whole number and this denominator number. 2 2s are 4. Then add this numerator number simply 5. Put here 5 on the numerator, and as usual our denominator comes here 5/2. Okay, is it clear? Next, take another example. 3 1/4. How can you convert? First we have to multiply these two numbers. 3 into 4 12. 12 plus 1 13. 13/4. Is it clear? Okay. We have to convert mixed fractions into fractions like this. Okay. Next our topic is equivalent fraction. What is our next topic? Equivalent fraction. Okay. Equivalent fraction. Okay. If given this diagram, here shaded part, how can you write this? 1/4. Okay, very good. Next, if you take another diagram, one, two, three, four, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 8. That means 8. Here whole parts. Next shaded parts are 2. So I have to put here numerator 2/8. Is it right? Okay, clear. Next, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 parts. Then shaded parts are, if we take 3 shaded parts, 3 by 2. Okay? If you look at these 3 closely, what do you find? You find that, okay, 1 by 4, 2 by 8 and 3 by 12. Here 1 by 4 is okay, double of, is it clear? 2 by 8 is the twice of numerator and denominator of 1 by 4. Is it clear? 2 by 8 is twice of numerator and denominator of 1 by 4. That means into 2 into 2. That means 2 by 8. We have to multiply here numerator and denominator by 2. Then we get 2 by 8. If you similarly 3 by 12 has the numerator and denominator multiplied by 3 each. What will you get? 3 by 12. Is it right or not? Okay. That means how can you write this? How can you write these 3 fractions? 1 by 4 equal to 1 by 4 equal to 2 by 8 equal to 3 by 12. All these fractions are equivalent to 1 by 4. We can say that equivalent fractions arise when we multiply numerator and denominator by same number, not different numbers. Numerator and denominator by same numbers. If you multiply 2 here, we have to multiply 2 here. That means 2 by 2, 1. So, no change. So, if you multiply 3 here, you have to multiply here also 3. Okay? By same number. These are the equivalent fractions. Okay? Equivalent fractions of 1 by 4 are 2 by 8 and 3 by 12. Equivalent fractions of 1 by 4 are 2 by 8, 3 by 12. If you multiply 1 by 4 into 4 in 4 by 4, 4 by 6. 4 by 16 is also equivalent fraction of 1 by 4. These are the equivalent fractions. We have to write equivalent fractions like this. If you take another number, 1 by 3. Say examiner asks you to convert equivalent fractions into, here I have to come denominator by 12. So, we have to multiply into 4 and 4. 4 by 12. Okay? Is it clear or not? If you take another number, if you give 1 by 6 and convert equivalent fraction, that means your denominator will come 24. Okay? What we have to do? We have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. So 1 into 4, 4, 6, 4 is 24. Okay? 1 by 6 is equivalent fraction of 4 by 24. These two are equivalent fractions. If you take another number, 1 by 7. If you multiply 2 by both, 2 by 14. That means 1 by 7 equal to 2 by 14. These two are equivalent fractions. Okay. Okay. Tomorrow we will discuss on like and non-like fractions, ascending and descending ordering fractions, and addition of fractions and subtraction of fractions. Until then, keep practicing. Until then, keep practicing. Okay? Until then, keep practicing all the which problems? Okay, exercise problems. Until then, practice exercise all the exercise problems. Okay, Do all the exercise problems. If you get any doubt, please comment. Okay. If you get any doubt, please comment. And if you like this video, please share. Okay. Please share the video. Thank you.